In the labor market, care work gets subordinated to the prevailing principles of efficiency, productivity, and competition. Cleaning and care for the elderly is fragmented into time units, digitally controlled and paid like industrial piecework, meaning so many minutes to clean a hotel room or a metro station, so many minutes to dress and feed an elderly person. These schedules and modules intensify the physical and psychological stress and don't leave any time for human touch and empathy. Affection does not count in wage calculations. In the case of live-in care workers for the elderly, the standby service at night is unpaid. Thus, waged care labor is organized in a way that it includes unpaid work and time, resulting in a systematic underpayment in complex scenarios of discrimination and subordination.